Hey there guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm going to be showing you guys my art supplies in this video. We're gonna start with paper. Now, I have tons of paper. I don't even know the reason why I have this, but I suppose I got this for coloring and drawing, but I haven't used it yet. Next up, we have a sketchbook. This is one of my favorite sketchbook, and it's the only thing from my art supplies that I did using. And the texture of the pages is very good. It's good for drawing with pencils. This is a scene that I copied from when Marnie was there. Which is an animated film from Studio Ghibli. And there's this other. I got this inspiration from Pinterest, and I drew this scene on my birthday. And then we have another scrapbook. The thing with this scrapbook is that it has colored pages, and I'm just still a little bit reluctant to use it. I don't know what should I draw on a colored surface, and how is it supposed to be colored. The color theory is freaking me out a little bit, so I'm just putting this to a side for now on. Next up, this is my most favorite. This is Giotto pencil colors. They're 24. I asked my mom for them to be 40, but I think she didn't understand. But I love these colors, and I waited for so many years to get them, and now that I have them, I'm not even using them. I love them that much. And then there's poster paint. This I went to a supermarket a year ago, and I saw these, and the colors were just very striking. I could choose a few from them, but I wanted the whole package. I think it's gonna get dry after some time. It's been a year. I haven't even did open them and see if it's still the same. I don't know. I just love collecting such stuff. And the thing with this is that it's like a lot of variety. Like there's different shades of the same color, which is the first time that I've seen in poster paint. I was when I was a child, like I would get the poster paint that has only 6 colors, so I would have to mix them to create new. But otherwise I just like them so much. They're in glass bottles, and just that's so like little, they're so cute. And then there's my favorite color, that's mauve. And next up we have brushes. I didn't use these brushes. I have a few other ones that I use sometimes when I paint, but I think this is all for the sake of collecting. And then I have acrylic colors, acrylic paint, not colors, and they're unused. It's been a year, they're unused, and they can be used on many surfaces. So I'm still thinking, should I draw a mug, or should I paint a mirror, or should I go find some wooden piece and then draw on it? So that's still a question. Next up we have the Stabilo markers. I don't know how it's pronounced in English, because I know the Italian way. These are my favorite ones. I have used them, I guess. So that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll be seeing you soon, hopefully with another video, maybe another haul or something new.